Hi, I'm Chef Isaac from Cuisines by Isaac, and today we're going to discuss how to make Irish soda bread. Okay, in this step, we're going to melt our butter, and the butter is going to be poured over the top of the loaf. So we're going to put our butter in a pan right here, butter in there. Then I've already got an eye sort of going, and I'm going to put it in here and I'm going to melt it. While it's melting, I'm going to go ahead and clean up just a little bit. Get some of my stuff out of the way. And I'm sort of move it around a little bit, get a little hot, and it melts pretty quickly. There we go, all melted. Go ahead and turn that off, take it off the fire. Then here, I'm going to take my loaf, already scored. Then what I want to do is just pour my melted butter all over the top, like so. And there we have it.